Congratulations for you to choose Serve the Animals Summits by putting your information in this summits. There is two different kind of people that joining this summits. The first is inspired. The other one is committed as AF. What is the difference? The person that is inspired, being inspired by the speaker, being inspired by the summits, going home back to the lifestyle and complain about the government is not doing good enough, the law is too weak, no one is listening to me, no one is really taking my learning to their life and change their lifestyle. The other one is committed as AF, really owning the power, owning the voice, owning the energy, and really taking this, the strategize, the tips, the action step, the person is learning in this summit from the expert, from me, to the next level. Jumping in a one-to-one call with me to create a roadmap about how you really can live it up to become a powerful advocate for animals. You're also really knowing to see the interview and again, have them for lifetime, having the masterclass, really have access to the live interview where the person is VIP member, VIP experience, where there be a Q&A afterwards, where the person can ask the expert questions, guidings, support, ask for support, create partnership, create relationships. The person has committed as AF, doing it anyway, they're facing the fears, doing something that is uncomfortable and will invest in themselves because the person invest in themselves, there is the person committed to change, there is the person committed to extraordinary life, being the words, being the actions, showing up, because the animals don't care about you to be perfect, the animals need you to become the actions and doing the actions anyway, every day. And will it be around people that is on the same lifestyle, that have the same roadmap as you, where you can push each other to the next level? What is you? Are you the person that is inspired, or are you the person that is committed as AF? I really hope you are the person that is committed AF. You can read a bit more about the VIP experience below. See you in the summit. Thank you so much for you to be here. Bye.